Hello, here's another update on the Rover. Here's a closer look at the Crossmember. It's gonna need to be welded up there a little bit. Gonna cut that step off, cut this off, and see what's underneath here, behind here too. And this is gonna need some patchwork too. So let's get down underneath. Let's see. Got the axle out. No axle underneath now. All I got left is to take the exhaust off, and all it has is a couple brackets, and they need to be, everything's just going to get cut off. And I picked up a new exhaust from Three Brothers in Canada. Very nice guys up there. You'll see more of that later. I'll do a comparison of the old and the new one. Okay, so let's get underneath. Alright, looking up underneath, you can see that it still kind of has the paint, the original. Let's go to this side. There we go. You can see it still has the original paint on there. Barely, but it's on there. And so there's the brake lines there, I already replaced, but you can see all along here it just has rust on it. It's not really rusted through in too many spots, but we'll find that out later as I'm going to wire wheel all this up, clean this, cut this off. We can see underneath. This is the check strap. It's supposed to go down underneath your axle, and it comes up to here, goes around like that to the other side and then to this side. So then so when your axle comes down, it doesn't pull the shock out or anything, because the original shocks didn't have stops on them. So anyways, okay, there's underneath, and underneath the back seat area. Let's see. Switch over here. This is the other side. You can see it's not too bad. I know there's going to be some spots I'm going to have to fix. I definitely know that. There's going to be some rust spots here and there, like rusted through. So there's one of the exhaust hangers. But the frame, all in all, isn't bad. Out here, here's the outside of it. See, it's just got like a surface rust all over on it from sitting so long out there. But certain spots I see that may be bad. Let's see here. Maybe I notice around all the drain holes. Oh, that light's shining in there. Ugh. Notice there always seems to be a lot of rust right around the drain holes for the chassis, but we'll see. When I wire wheel it, we'll take another look at it all. Alrighty, see you later.